Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file earlier today, and what I'm doing it for. I'm sorry it took me so long to get back to you. Uh, they're evidently printing this and then cutting it out. And if we make this, I'm going to lock that template so I can't grab it anymore. If we make this yellow and move it over our outside, and you can barely see the yellow line, and it's not even perfect. Wonder if I jiggled something. You know, I might have jiggled it. Yeah, I must have jiggled it. So let's take that back. Let me just back up to where I was. I jiggled something. So move that over, move that over, move that over. There's the box. Lock that box. That's why you lock thing. Then I'm going to make that yellow so we can just see it. I didn't jiggle anything that time. Let me see if we can't see that before I move it. Yes. So that's not even perfect. So I couldn't have done anything to that. But what we can do is get rid of this because the black is perfect. So I'm going to left click, right click, and I don't understand the black. Maybe it's something to do with printing. I don't know. But they're trying to have some bleed out where they can print bigger than the cut so they won't mess up. And now if we look, if we take this thing in yellow and put it back, now that cut line is right on the cut line. So this is a pattern. We can change this. We can't change this cut. So I'm going to make a duplicate and put the cut back. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm just going to contour the outside 0.1. I'm even going to go with rounded corners. You see, just give it a little bit of a contour. Now let's go to object and break the contour apart. And let's move. This is our new contour. Now, because this is a pattern, we could make it grow without changing it. It just made it a bigger pattern. We're still going to cut it out. Now what I want to do is move my pattern where I can make sure, okay, I've got to grab it back and go to object, order, back a page. So now I can see my pattern or what it needs to be. I'm just going to minutely move that and I can see all that. So now I'm going to go up here with both of them selected and go intersect. And there's our new pattern. And it's just a little bit bigger. You can actually see, well, let me do this. Let me make the cut line yellow and bring this in. So you can see the cut line. So that's the part that's going to print past the cut line. And I don't think stretching that pattern made it any different. It made it a little bit bigger, but I don't know how else you could do it. They've evidently got that pattern from somewhere. Maybe they just have the whole pattern and just do what I just did. But that way it would cut out and print, and the cutout will be in that yellow. I hope that's what they were wanting and that made sense. If not, she'll get back to me and I'll look at it tomorrow. Thank you for watching.